بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. My objective today is form a dialogue about a given picture. Look and read the story. It's Wednesday afternoon and Rima and Sahar are in class. Every month they have a cooking competition. I am making vegetable soup, Mrs. Asala. Are there any carrots in your vegetable soup, Rima? Yes, of course. Sahar isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much. Sahar, you have got some meat, some tomatoes, and a pineapple. What are you making? It's a surprise. This month, Rima wins the cooking competition. Sahar is sad. Her food is always bad. Congratulations, Rima. Your vegetable soup is delicious. Thanks, Mrs. Asala. That evening at home, Sahar tells her mother about the competition. Sahar, let's cook together. Okay, Mom. For 1 month, Sahar and her mom cook and cook and cook. How many eggs are there, Mom? 5. Today is the cooking competition. Sahar, you have got some flour, some butter, some sugar, some milk, some dates, and some eggs. What are you making? It's a surprise, Mrs. Asala. Mrs. Asala is tasting the food. Afaf's chocolate pancakes are very good, and Rima's chocolate biscuits are great too. And now it's Sahar's turn. Would you like some date cake? Mrs. Asala? Yes, please. This is delicious. Great job, Sahar. You are the winner. Summary. What is Rima making? She is making vegetable soup. Who wins the competition? Sahar. Thank you and see you later.